Today we have a reading activity, The Special Friendship of Fox, Raccoon, and Hedgehog. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, three animal friends lived happily: a clever fox, a curious raccoon, and a spiky hedgehog. Every day they explored the forest together. They played games, laughed, and shared the things they loved. Sometimes it was yummy berries, sometimes it was shiny pebbles. When Raccoon got stuck climbing a tree, Fox and Hedgehog worked together to help him down. Friendship meant helping each other no matter what. Even though they were different, their friendship made them stronger. They learned that being unique is what made them special, just like the colors of a rainbow. They had picnics under the warm sun. Fox told stories, Raccoon found hidden treasures, and Hedgehog made everyone laugh with his tickly quills. On rainy days, they huddled under the tree, sharing stories and giggles. They learned that even rainy days can be filled with smiles. They gazed at the sky, imagining exciting adventures. No matter where they were, being together made everything feel magical. The magical bond of friendship is like a force that grows stronger when we care, share, and appreciate each other. The end. Now we have a reflection time. What did you learn from Fox, Raccoon, and Hedgehog's friendship? You can discuss it together or discuss it with your parents. Thank you for listening.